It's not just women. There are men that are in violent situations as well. The thing is that they do not have any assistance at all. So we focus both on men and women, which is what we want everyone to know, because men are often beaten on, stabbed, cut, yelled at and everything else, but they don't say anything because of the stigma, right? Men, like you just said, men are supposed to be our protectors. However, they've grown up in situations too where they've seen dad beat on mom, they've seen mom beat on dad, and they've taken that, and they've taken it, and they don't mean to take it, but they adopted it. So we do help wherever anyone needs assistance. We help. We find out what organizations are in that community that we can reach out to help that person get some assistance.